In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Apple Music playlist. We will walk through the process slowly, so even if this is your first time using Apple Music playlists, you will be able to follow along without any trouble. First, launch Apple Music on your device. Open the app the same way you open your other apps. On an iPhone or iPad, you will see the white icon with a music note on a colored background. On a Mac, you will usually find Apple Music in the dock or inside the Applications folder. Once it opens, you should see the Listen Now and Browse tabs along the bottom or left side, which confirms that you are in the right place. Now, go to your chosen playlist. Look for the Library section, then open Playlists, and you will see a list of all the playlists you have created or saved. Scroll until you find the playlist you want to share, then tap or click its name. The playlist page will open, showing the cover image at the top, the playlist title, and the list of songs underneath. You might also see details like how many songs it has and the total playtime. A quick tip here, if you plan to share this playlist often, it helps to give it a clear name so friends recognize it easily. Next, tap or click the three dots icon in the top right corner. This icon often appears as three small dots in a row or stacked depending on your device. It sits near the playlist title and sometimes close to a plus sign or an edit button. When you tap or click it, a menu will slide up from the bottom on mobile devices or appear as a drop-down on a computer. This menu controls several actions for the playlist, such as adding it to your library, editing it, or in our case, sharing it with others. If you accidentally tap outside the menu and it closes, just tap the three dots again to reopen it. From here, select Share Playlist or Share, then choose your preferred messaging app or select Copy Link. In the menu, look for the option labeled Share Playlist, or sometimes just Share, and tap or click it once. A sharing panel will appear, showing different apps like Messages, Mail, social apps, and more. If you pick a messaging app, Apple Music will attach the playlist link inside a new message so you can send it directly to a friend. They will receive a tappable link that opens the playlist in their Apple Music. If you choose Copy Link instead, the link goes to your clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere you like, such as a group chat, an email, or a note. The share works right away. You do not need to save anything else. You have now opened Apple Music, found the right playlist, and shared it using your favorite app or a copied link. If this helped you share your playlist more easily, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Apple Music tips.